Hi, I'm Richard from PageFly. Looking to showcase your products with rich details and a professional layout? We've got the perfect solution for you. Today, I will guide you how to enhance your product pages using the Shopify Product Details element in PageFly. Firstly, we need to access the Product Details element. Alright, first things first, let's locate the Product Details element. Over on the left-hand side menu, click on Add Shopify element and find the Product Details element, drag and drop the element into the page editor, and then start using it. Now it's time to explore this element in General tab. The first setting is the product source. If you are using the regular page, you will see only one option, which is Custom Product. If you use Product Page, there are two options, which are Auto and Custom Product. If you choose Auto, a product was assigned when you created this product page that will be displayed in the page editor. If you choose Custom, you must select on specific product. I will choose this product. Scroll down, you will see the default variant option. With this option, you can choose a variant to display as default from the variant list. You can set visibility, attribute, and animation for the product details here. Next, I will guide you how to customize the product details element. You can modify each element inside the product details, such as the product media, product title, price, and others. For example, if you have more than one product media and you want to show all, just click on Product Media, head to General tab, and enable Media List here. Feel free to adjust the media list position. So simply click on each option to configure specific settings for each individual element within. You can also move the elements to other positions just like I do here. First, to make the product list more prominent, you can customize the style for it in Styling tab. I will do a quick demo for you. Firstly, I will adjust the product title, update the content color, font size, and font family for it. You can do the same with product price and description. And here's the result. The same applies to these buttons. I will update their content color and background color for them. Let's hit the Save Publish button to check it on the live view. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.